Hey, hi guys, hope you all are doing good. So in this today's video, I will brief you about how to install V-Ray as a renderer in 3ds Max. It is a plugin which is used for rendering. You all might know about it. So I'll tell you step by step that how to install V-Ray in your 3ds Max. Okay. So I'll just share my screen and here we go. All you have to do is you'll have to just type Chaos Group in your search bar and you will have this first link over here which says www.chaos.com. Okay, just click on this and you have it, the same email id which you have created to register for Autodesk. Over here also you will have to basically create it. Okay, like email id, the same email id, you'll have to use it over here. Okay, so I have an account, so directly continue with Google and I will use that email id over here. And yes, the company name, anything you can type. Okay, ABCD, you have it. And just create account. And once you're done with it, you just have to click on OK and the account is created over here. You can see RK, that is Raj Karwan, you have it. Now, how to download V-Ray for your system. So the first thing that you'll have to do is you'll have to go in products, and in products you will see V-Ray for 3ds Max. We have V-Ray for different softwares as well, so we'll use it for 3ds Max. Click on like V-Ray for 3ds Max and you will see this option over here as try free. Just click on try free and they'll ask you for some details and all of that stuff. Start my trial on that particular email ID. You will have to type your phone number over here and they will send you a verification code. Done. You will wait. So I have used this phone number before, so it will not work. Let's check with my other number. No, it is also there. I'll use this number and we'll check. Yeah, we have it. So I got the verification code on this number. I will just verify the account and it is done. So now comes the role. So I am an architect. Architecture, maybe we'll use it for architect only. That's good. Architecture ke andar architect. I need V-Ray. So V-Ray for 3ds Max. Continue. And then just click on download trial. So automatically you will be like, in the downloads page. So 3ds Max. Now there are many different versions of 3ds Max. Okay, you have 2020, 21, 19. So from 2008, the oldest of 3ds Max, and then we have 2023, the latest of 3ds Max. So you click on 2023 and here you will have V-Ray 6 for 3ds Max. So all I have to do is I'll just have to click on download over here. Now we will wait for this to download, and once the download is done, I will tell you how you can install V-Ray. So we will wait for this, guys. The download is done, guys. Now let's take it forward and install V-Ray in our 3ds Max. So I'll just show in folder and run it as administrator. So just right click, run it as administrator, and here we go. The installation will start. So we'll wait. And yeah. So I will just choose, like I accept the agreement. We just go in advanced, keep it workstation. Yes, keep the first option over here, click on continue. It should be local and install. Now wait for the installation. It will hardly take like say a few seconds and it will be done. And after that, you will have a major materials library which is of around 3 GB. So let it happen. I have it already installed, but make sure that you also wait for it to get installed. And once it is done, you will have. So yeah, it is successfully installed, but it is not registered yet. Your trial is not started. So once you are done with the installation, all you have to do is you'll have to go in your search bar and you have to type manage. And you click on manage. You will have an option of manage chaos license server. Okay. You just have to run this as administrator. Once you do that, you will have online licensing. Here you have to sign out and you have to sign in with your new email ID. Okay. So I will sign in. And once you sign in, you'll have to just type email ID and password and your trial is started. Okay. So do follow this step and make sure that V-Ray is installed and your license is registered. Okay. And the further process, I will explain you when the classes start. So yeah, see you in class again and yeah, cheers. Bye-bye.